Once again, hello everyone. I would like to introduce you to Mr. Arda, a regional manager, Middle East and Africa at Related Digital. He will be covering the topic on how to automate and conquer your customer journey, how to do more with less. Over to you, Mr. Arda.
Thank you, Sumit. Thanks for the nice introduction. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our keynotes. And I'm happy to see you all here. Especially these unprecedented days, but we know that things gonna get better soon. So today I will explain, I will share our best practices, how to be client-centric rather than being product-centric by focusing on end-to-end marketing. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arda, and I'm in sales and account management for more than 11 years, working with customers in Turkey, in Middle East, and also in other emerging markets. I'm passionate about cloud and SaaS technologies and interactive customer experience solutions, thanks to IBM, Google, and for sure, Related Digital. For the last 5 years, I'm collaborating with digital marketing leaders in multiple industries, such as e-commerce, retail, banking, finance, insurance, and hospitality, to adopt omnichannel marketing as a driver to grow their businesses and loyal customer base. I recently got married, so Mabruk. Normally I would proceed my presentation with actually company profile, some marketing KPIs, but recently I had, like in the recent meetings, some marketing leaders were eager to learn more about how to drive revenue, generate revenue. So that's why I want to continue with a success story from one of my clients in e-commerce industry. We are working with them more than 2 years. And of course, as you may know, Black Friday is one of the best seasons for e-commerce and retail, but still it's a hassle for the marketers to build the right strategy to get the best return of investments, especially with less spending. So the challenge was, of course, increasing the online sales during Black Friday, but also growing newsletter subscription, elevates word of mouth effect through, let's say, Instagram campaigns, maximizing the exposure of hero products, and at the end of the day, like create a fun atmosphere between the audience and the brands. And of course, as Related Digital, we have multiple modules I will discuss in the upcoming slides, but we only integrated 3 modules for this project. One of them is customer data platform, on-site targeting, and also personalized email marketing. And thanks to our account management team and also the marketing team from the client side, they were amazing. And we started our journey with Instagram campaigns, like by actually promoting 3 products on Instagram and asking people to like these Instagram photos, the Instagram products, and share it with a keywords on their profile. So a threshold of 10K engagement each was required to unveil the campaign details on client's website. So we step up the game and we did a third-party integration between Instagram and the website, client's website. So to show all the likes also on the website, which created a good engagement with potential prospects, clients. So, and we also target people who arrived to the website for the first time and showed them a custom pop-up page, welcome page, encouraging them to sign up to the newsletter so they can receive the promo code when the campaign is over as quick as possible so they can benefit the limited offer. So then after that, we did the email marketing campaign and encouraged them to come back and do the purchase. So let me share with you the interesting part of it, the results. We increased the new subscribers for sure, but the effect was huge. We increased 4,000% more. Imagine they were receiving 100 leads per week, and we increased it 4,000 leads more. But at the end of the day, what matters is the revenue, the conversion. So we increased the new subscriber purchase, first purchase rate compared to previous purchases, 82%. and average order value 31. And of course, there are plenty of marketeers, they will like to see the results on Google Analytics, and that's why for them per session value is also important. So we doubled the per session value, which is like the revenue generated within 30 minutes, we doubled it. So of course, this success was coming from all-in-one marketing targeting, like omni-channel targeting. Usually people like to try to find out which channel works best. But in my opinion, in end-to-end marketing, it's better to understand which journey works best, from where the journey starts, where it ends, and which segments likes it. So actually, I would like to continue by introducing our company. So let me introduce Related Digital. Actually, Related Digital is an 18-year-old end-to-end omnichannel marketing automation solution for digital marketers, like to acquire and retain customers, like we mentioned earlier, on digital channels with real-time personalization. Our company is headquartered in Istanbul, having offices in London, Hamburg, and also in Dubai, where I'm based off. So we have more than 150 employees, and Related Digital is actually using its customer data platform, which I'm going to mention in the upcoming slides, and also behavioral targeting engine, allowing online businesses to derive higher revenue, which all the leaders are asking for, and improve customer lifetime value, grow audience, and boost performance via web, mobile, application, email, SMS, and social media. And our products are used by more than 2,000 companies, and including Dubai Islamic Bank, BBVA, Estée Lauder, Sephora, Delivery Hero, eBay, IKEA, but not only enterprises like Joy Gifts. They are gift shop, flower, e-commerce business, and they are targeting all Middle East, and they have a video testimonial with us. You can check it later on our website. So other than that, we also work with Toyota, Sheraton, and hundreds of others. Here you can see that our main target is not, main clients are not e-commerce and retail. For us, any industry having at least a couple of touch points, it's good to start a journey with them. It can be email marketing, it can be social media targeting. Some companies, they don't even have a website, but we can still build a journey for them to reach their KPIs. So by talking some touch points, targeting is the first thing I want to mention. Of course, it's like retargeting, talk about SMS, email, web push, mobile push. And I believe most of the companies they're already doing some of this retargeting methods, most probably. But if you're a new business owner and you have a new e-commerce platform in Saudi, in different countries, the most important thing is bringing a traffic to your website or to your mobile application if you want to increase the monthly active user. So, and the key is advertisements. But of course, for advertisements, there are some segments which are like gender-based, average income, age, location. But these are also what competitors are doing, right? So that's why we also have different segmentations like IFM clusters, like recency, frequency, and monetary. So actually, we help you to target lookalikes of your high revenue potential customers, which you discovered already with the first party data. And one more point which I really care of is customer experience. These days, I like technologies, and I usually visit like noon.com or let's say Amazon and plenty of e-commerce companies to purchase something. Then I go to the store, visit a couple of stores, let's say Virgin, DG, and any other store. And after I decide to purchase on the spot and I come back home, I want to enjoy the product, but sometimes I see the product still targeted, like targeted ads. I see the same product with the less price. And I'm not actually that happy, even though I have the product with me. So that's why it's always important to make your customer happy and have a better customer experience by having an end-to-end marketing system, which also includes customer data platform, where you can, it's a server-based solution from us, where you can capture every single data from different channels, and you need to know where to stop the journey and start another journey, upsell strategy, cross-sell strategy. So other than that, analytics is not the things I always mention, because for analytics, you can go to Google Analytics and see some data as a good start. But of course, we also provide analytics for web and mobile application. Of course, we give more insights. It's like event-based insights. We collect hundreds of millions events every single day, not just sessions. So that's why you can immediately understand your customer's journey. But other than that, you can build ad hoc analysis. So it means when the things are fine right now, people are mostly staying at home. Some people go to the office, but still people are purchasing online, and things can be fine. But when the pandemic is over, when things go down, you need to understand where you should be focusing on, how you can improve your customer journey. So you need the analytics data. So actually, my direct contacts are usually marketing leaders, and I want to always hear their challenges. So that's why usually marketing leaders they're happy when they see the results, right? But it's only the 10% or 5% of the job. So the rest is overcoming the challenges. One of them is data silos. So it's because of the legacy systems, the technology is not talking to each other, and you need always the IT support to build the journey by yourself. So that's why generating leads is not the main focus. Making sense of this data, collecting leads from different channels, and targeting them back through different channels. It's one of the most important things. Acquisition channels, as mentioned earlier, advertisement is important to bring traffic, especially if you're a new business owner. But third-party data is actually blocked by Firefox and Safari, and Google will not announce that they will not continue with third-party data within a year. It means you need to focus on your first-party data. But the good thing is the CDP platform, customer data platform, is able to leverage this first-party data and make you use for your advertisement channels, like as mentioned earlier, lookalikes, or for AdWords or social media targeting. And retention is the same as mentioned earlier. You need to always make sense of first-party data and be flexible also. So agile, because consumer habits are changing. I wasn't interested in 4K cameras earlier. Still, I'm not actually. I just checked to make sure I'm not missing anything. But other than that, I recently purchased a vacuum cleaner. It's like automatic vacuum cleaner. I wasn't interested in earlier. Consumer habits are changing. We need to always be agile by understanding your consumer habits to make more sales. That's why focusing on retention, building loyal customers is also important. But you need to also respect your clients by focusing on GDPR. Of course, in Middle East, still we don't have the pressure of having a GDPR compliant platform, but we are not sure that we're not going to receive it within a year or two. That's why, especially these days, marketers, they have like more than 22 technologies, and they try to build APIs between vendor-specific APIs to connect this data and make sure that everything is GDPR friendly. Even the consumer side is a little confusing because we have more than 4 devices. Right now, if I log in, check a website on my laptop, I give my consents. They ask that they're going to use cookie. Okay, I'm okay with it for pop-ups, but then I receive emails. Then I receive mobile application notifications. Then I see advertisements on social media. So it's not making the customer happy. That's why you need to always respect your clients with GDPR compliance. So this is what we also provide with end-to-end marketing with thanks to CDP, Customer Data Platform. And this is why we are here. And actually, all these things I'm talking is not that complicated. Thanks to Customer Data Platform, thanks to Related Digital, it's just a drag and drop feature. Like it's you can just create your recurring automated journey and just start your journey with a welcoming email, then wait and understand if the open rates accordingly target them on mobile application and pop-up notification on the website and on social media. Like we mentioned earlier in the customer success story, the journey started with Instagram actually. It was totally different. Then it continued on the website, then email marketing, then back again websites and purchases done. So we have hundreds of scenarios. We are not sure which scenario will work for you. We need to understand your clients because analytics data is important. Then we need to understand your segments. We create a personalized journey for them for every single campaign, every single scenario. And today this scenario is working well, but it doesn't mean that next month it's going to work the same way because consumer habits are changing and we need to always understand them. So back to the case study. First of all, thanks for listening so far. And I really enjoy seeing results, and the results are always good, but you need to always invest according to your budgets for sure. To lower your budget, as mentioned earlier, growing with less is only possible with targeted investments, like we mentioned earlier. And to drive high return of investment, you need to understand your customer journey, not only which channel is performing well. You cannot say the social media is performing well, let's invest only there, on Facebook only, or on only Instagram ads. It's not gonna work, maybe for a while, but later not. So you can generate as many as leads you want, but at the end of the day, converting them to revenue is important. And you need to always generate valuable insights, which we mentioned earlier, analytics, ad hoc analysis. So insight is also important. And building your journey and creating the next campaign, focusing on the next campaign is also important. So this is it. And first of all, thank you so much for listening. And you can reach out to me anytime you want. There's a barcode. You can just scan it like you do when you go to a restaurant these days. And for e-menu, you scan it and you see the menu. You can just save my details from the barcode, from the QR code. And you can reach out to me via WhatsApp, email, or any channel you like. Thank you so much for your time and hope to speak to you soon. Sumit?
Great, wonderful. Thank you so much, Arda, for that awesome presentation. And dear colleagues, it's time to give you the opportunity to share your views, your thoughts, and challenges that you're facing through a very interactive roundtable discussion. It'll be facilitated by Mr. Abdul Mohsin Al Mulhim. The session will start at 12:10 Saudi time. It'll be spanning for about 45 minutes to 1 hour and will be based upon expectations are evolving and how you can anticipate and plan the future of buying, mapping CX to sales, marketing, PR, communications, and content strategy, achieving customer experience at scale through digital, UX experience for conversion optimization in the age of customer, and what can an agency do for you, evaluating and leveraging external support. So it'll basically give you an opportunity to share your insights and knowledge regarding these questions, and also you can ask any questions around your marketing, your needs, your customer experience challenges and needs. We'll do our best, to get you all the answers from our colleagues, and I would also request Arda to join us for the roundtable session so that
For
we can
sure.
have these conversations. Once again, thank you, Arda. It was a wonderful presentation, and see you at the roundtable.
Thank you. Thank you.